Hey, my name's May, and today I am going to be changing out my nails because they look a little crusty. Like, look at this. Look at this. Two of them have fallen off on both hands. Okay, I did kind of pull some of them off. I wanted it to be symmetrical. Like, they're still cute, but I lost one of them, so I'm not going to save them. I don't even know if you should save press-on nails after you're done with them. Like, can you? Or no? Like, these came with these adhesive stickers that I can't get off the back anyway. So this is my first time ever doing press-on nails with the nail glue. I did the ones I have on now, they came with an adhesive, like they came with a sticker, which is probably why they didn't last as long as I wanted them to. I mean, they lasted close to 2 weeks, so I guess that's pretty good, but they started like wanting to fall off like a little after a week. So yeah, these are like well due to be changed out. And so I got this nail glue that's supposed to be extra strong, and these are the nails that I'm gonna try. And I have big fingers, so these look really promising to be able to like sustain my large nails and my big fingers and to fit. So I'm super excited for these because tomorrow is the first day of my new job too. So I want some new nails that look cute for that. And so this is my first time doing press-on nails the right way. So we're just gonna have to see. And first I need to soak off these nails that I already have. So I'm gonna soak those for like 15 minutes and then I will measure out my nails. At least, you know, that's what I understand. Like, you just soak your nails in water and they should come off. The adhesive should come off, like, when you soak them in hot water. So I have some hot water here. We will see. Alrighty, I got my nails all taken off. I'm going to cut them now. And now I gotta peel the rest of this goop off that was from the nail adhesive stickers. I don't know. Should I like file it off? I don't want to file my nail though. If you have any advice for press-on nails, please put them in the comments because I'm trying because this is so much cheaper than getting my nails done at a salon. Maybe I'll try filing it. Will it work? I don't think it worked. Maybe I'll try soaking my nails again. I was watching Bob's Burgers while I was waiting the 15 minutes and kind of like peeling the nails, the press-on nails away. And now I just have to get the rest of this goop off so the other nails will lay. And then I gotta measure out the nails to make sure I have the ones that fit me right. I have long nails for some reason. Like my nail bed, like it's kind of long. But I think these new nails, they're just so cute. I love the gradient and that they have a little bit of sparkle. And I'm just like, sparkle. And like people are already talking about fall stuff. These are not fall nails, but the other ones that I got when I did the Temu, these are very fall nails. And so I'm excited for these for fall. These nails, I got these from Amazon for about $4, I think. Or they might have been $8. Somewhere between $4 and $10. But they are like super cute. The nail file is kind of working. There we go. It's coming off. Perfection. All clean. Well, mostly. Maybe I missed a little bit. Hold on. So now the instructions for the nail glue. Well, before I mess around with the nail glue, I should measure out my fingernail type tips. That one's too big. I think this also too big. This one, I'm gonna have to file down the sides of my nails though, I think. But that looks good. This is, oh my goodness, they didn't number it. They didn't number the nails. They didn't number what size nail it is. How am I supposed to know? Unless maybe these are the same. I think these are the same. Okay, these are the middle nails. How am I supposed to know if they're the same size? And I dropped it. This is, well, actually this one fits even better. I just wish they had sizes on here. Now it's gonna take me 20 billion years to figure it out. No. I keep dropping them too. Okay, it looks like these are the same size. And then the pinky nail. There we go. Okay, I am like super nervous about the glue though. I'm super nervous. I don't want it to get everywhere. Alrighty. Oh, and I think I have to do my thumbs last Okay, here's what it says. It says select the correct size nail tips and then push back cuticles, buff nails, wipe natural nail, brush nail bond onto tip of your natural nail with the lower intersection of the nail tip. Wait, what? I'm confused. Wait, so I only put it on the tip of the nail? Okay, the lower inner portion of the nail and then the tip of the nail. Girl, I don't know. I'm just gonna put the glue on. Like, I don't even know what to do with this. Is it telling me to just put it like here and a little bit in here? But I don't, or not. Or is it saying like here and then here? Like the circumference of the nail? Like, I'm just gonna go for it. We good here, I think. And then how long am I supposed to hold this for? The nail's coming up. Maybe I need a bigger size. I think that's like the biggest nail size I'm going to get. Great, now I've mixed up my nails and I don't know which one is the right size. You know what? Maybe I need to put more glue on. Like, how long do I hold these for? I should have read that. There we go, that's staying. Okay, apply at 45 angle, press down, squeeze out bubbles, apply pressure in the center, then on the sides. Keep hands out of water for an hour. Well, good thing I wasn't planning on doing the dishes. It just says press. It doesn't give a time period. I'm just gonna try. Oh, these are looking cute already. Look at that little glint glint. It's sparkling. Little more glue for this nail. This is gonna be a real fun time with trying to do my work with my non-dominant hand. Is like, I'm not that great at painting my nails. That's why I'm doing press-ons, like, duh. So I have like minimal practice with using my left hand to paint my right hand. I'm right-handed because I'm basic. Whoops. Actually, I was trying, I remember in kindergarten, I intentionally tried to be left-handed and they made me switch to using my right hand. Ooh, these look fancy. Fancy schmancy. Oh my goodness, they've changed my personality. Now I'm an evil queen. It is what it is, I guess. All right, a little bit of nail glue. I might be using too much nail glue. So that's gonna be when I take these off, that's gonna be a bridge I'm gonna have to cross when I get to it. No. Don't do that. I nearly got my fingers stuck to the nail glue again. I need help a little bit. Maybe I should have asked my husband to help me with these, but he's not home. I'm a self-sufficient woman. I don't need no man. Tell that to my 20-year-old self that was crying because a boy didn't like her. But I'm a stronger person now. That's a story for another day, certainly. Cause that mess, there was this guy I liked, and that mess, that's a whole story. Like, it nearly ruined a friendship. And he didn't even know. As far as I'm aware, he did not even know. He had no idea. It's like interesting how that works out, right? Like how life, sometimes you might affect other people in ways that you're just not even aware of. And I think that's why it's so important to be compassionate, because haven't you had it where other people do something that, it hurts you, and it's just it's likely they didn't even realize that they hurt you that way. But here we are in pain. That's why it's good to be compassionate and to try and be as considerate as you can, within reason, obviously, because you just, words and actions can really hurt. And then, there's occasions where they're doing stuff that, they don't even intend to hurt somebody. And really what they did wasn't really hurtful in itself, but just the context of everything that was going on made it not fun situation. This person, it was I liked them. They didn't know I liked them. As far as I'm aware, they didn't know I liked them, but they liked my friend. It's just one of those things where it's that's just heartbreak. That's just general heartbreak. And it's not like he did anything wrong. It's just, sometimes you can do stuff and sometimes you might just be minding your own business and you accidentally hurt somebody's feelings somehow. It is what it is with that. You just gotta try and be aware. No. I nearly stuck the nail to my finger, not the fingernail, to my finger. That would have looked interesting. I cut all my nails down because I didn't want to deal with trying to file the sides of my nails to fit the shape of these nails. Because the last time my nails didn't quite fit to the shape of the nail that I was using, and I had a lot of trouble trying to file them down afterward. You know what? I'm gonna put extra nail glue on my thumbnail because, girl, I know this is gonna try and break off. I should have put more extra nail glue on my middle finger too, because those are the ones that kept trying to pop off the quickest, was the middle fingers and the thumbnails. But I'll see how well this nail glue works. And these nails are just so shiny. I love that. And like, gloss is in, right? Gloss is in right now, right? Like, I feel like we're still in the whole, like, well, I mean, we're doing like Brat Summer now. So I don't know if that's more matte than gloss, really. But, you know, and this isn't very brat. This is a very soft girl. And that's my vibe right now, is very soft girl. I'm over trying to be tough. I'm not tough. I am baby. I am small. Oh, I nearly stuck my finger to my nail again. That would have been a disaster. I wouldn't be able to use my hands. And then I'd have to soak it all off in order to use my hands again and ruin all my work. And that would have been terrible. But what even are the aesthetics right now? Like, is clean girl aesthetic still a thing? Are we still doing that? Because I feel like I see a lot of people do that still. Now, Brat Summer, I'm seeing a lot of people do. Not like IRL, but like in internet, you know? Like, I'm seeing people do, you know, outfit ideas for Brat Summer. And I'm seeing like the aesthetics, and I'm seeing it on like clothing brands, the brat aesthetic, which to me just looks kind of like like punk goth grunge a little bit, but it's like, you know, very like, you have like a good amount of skin showing. I don't know, like, I have a couple outfits that I feel like would work for that. I do love the color black, and I like wearing black, and I like every once in a while like being goth and like just, well, I say being goth, but every once in a while putting on like a goth outfit with black lipstick and black eye makeup and just being kind of extra like that, like every once in a while. But lately, you know, it's mostly soft girl when I'm like, for outfits when I'm actually trying, because my day-to-day outfit is like a t-shirt and shorts right now with summer, and the t-shirt and shorts are just random t-shirts and random shorts. So like, just whatever's clean. So I kind of need to work on what's available in my wardrobe so that it kind of can be like, you know, soft girl all the time. But it is what it is, because like, life is not perfect, and my life especially is not perfect. Anyway, here's the new nails. I'm just going to stop talking because I'm just babbling, and I'm hungry, and I'm starving, and I'll keep talking, and I'll never eat. But here's the new nails. They have the sparkle, they have the gradient, there's the little bit of red, and I'm just in love with them. I love them. They're so nice. Now, the only thing is, it kind of looks like the glitter, I don't know, the glitter might shed a little bit. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see how that handles. But anyway, thanks for listening to me talk, and thanks for joining me as I change my nails. Maybe you change your nails too. I don't know. Like, could be a thing. Change your nails with me. We are at 95 subscribers, like, as of this video, so like that I'm recording this video, and I am so excited about that because my goal for this year was to get to like 100 subscribers. So I'm like, we're 5 away. So if you enjoyed this content and you like this video and you're not yet subscribed, like, consider subscribing, because if we get to 100, like, maybe I'll do a giveaway. Like, but it's just, I never would have thought, you know, like, I never would have thought that I would even get to 100 subscribers. And I just kind of, I don't know. I really, I have this tendency of underestimating myself a lot. Anyway, I think that's a lot of people though. So like, go out and try new things. Like, because part of the point of me making this YouTube channel was so that I would, like, you know, kind of come out of my shell and not be so insecure and I'm still insecure, but I also have fun with my insecurities, right? If you want to like not take yourself so seriously too, that's something that I'm working on. Like, subscribe to the channel. That's kind of what our vibe is here right now, is overcoming insecurities, I think. So, but anyway, I thank you so much for watching this video. If you're subscribed already, like, thank you so much. And I am so excited for the next couple videos that are going to be coming out. I will just leave it there. Don't forget to have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.